how to get a power lead from your battery, which is usually here, the positive there, through to get power into your car, would be just take off the cabin filter cover and then poke this hole. Usually this little grommet looks like that, and then you poke that out. I think I'll probably put this back on, and then basically you want to poke through 2 layers of insulation behind here. So the first layer looks a bit like that stuff, and then the second layer is a bit more like hard rubbery kind of stuff like this, and you want to kind of go horizontally across through. Basically you want to take the glove box out as well, and then it will come up like just above these 2 pipes, aircon pipes or whatever, and it's difficult to see, but yeah, these basically pop right through. The coat hanger is your friend as well. It's like a thin screwdriver. For reference, this is a 8 AWG cable, and yeah, once it's free you just pull it and it's good as anything. So not too hard actually.